Mr. Happy. Oh, we'll call you Happy Mac. It's here. Hey, Happy. Oh. Uh-oh. What are you gonna do? You're gonna roll over. You're gonna roll over, Finny.
Hi, buddy.
You holding that head up?
Hi. Hi, buddy.
That finger tastes good?
Hi.
That finger tastes good.